Hi, welcome back to CapexForexTrading.com. In this video, we're going to focus on the factors you need to consider when choosing Forex brokers. And it really tends to be new traders that struggle with this simply because they are eager to trade, they're eager to start, but there is so many brokers out there that they don't really know where to begin. But despite the fact that there are thousands of Forex brokers available out there, there is a lot of them that have head offices based in countries that are poorly regulated. Now, even in countries like the UK, the US, or some financial powers in Europe, there are a lot of question marks in forex regulation because there is no one single central exchange. So it's quite hard to keep a track of. But this is changing every year and it's improving every year. However, there are countries where forex regulation is quite minimal and brokers can get away with quite a lot. Now, this doesn't mean that your broker is a bad broker. It simply means that if you find a broker from a country that where you're not familiar with the regulation, you need to ensure that you find out who the regulatory body is, and also ensure that your broker complies with or has licenses required to operate legally within that country. Once you do that and you're confident, then you're okay to sign up for a live account. Don't get sucked in by heavy marketing campaigns that promise to make you a millionaire overnight. You will see various advertising campaigns where brokers promise that you can make 100 pips per day, and they'll even provide you with a quote from one of their traders where they state that I've made this with this broker and this broker is great. How exactly are they going to make sure that you get this 100 pips per day? It's simply a play on words. They can't do this, okay? All they do is provide the opportunity for you to do so. The only way that you can make 100 pips per day is if your strategies are good enough. If they're not, you won't, okay? And if you don't make this 100 pips per day and you lose loads of money, you cannot sue your broker because it's not their responsibility. And you will definitely find small print somewhere where it says that Forex is a risky market and all losses are your responsibility. Okay, so a lot of people do fall for this. Just make sure you're not one of them, because their aim with these marketing strategies is to increase their customer base. That's it. The more customers they get, the more people fund their live accounts. The more funding takes place into these live accounts, the more financially strong the broker is. So when they go to their bank and ask for a loan to expand their business, their bank manager will see the financial stability of the broker and basically give them this money to expand. So make sure that you don't help the broker, help yourself. If you're the type of trader that's interested in cheap trading only, then all you need to do is look for a low spread broker. There's plenty of them around, and they're usually referred to as retail brokers or market makers. Now, they're the type of broker that offer spreads such as half a pip on Euro USD, which is great. Okay, but the chances are, if the spreads are so low, that the commission might be applied on top of this. So basically, every time that you click buy or sell, there will be a fee applied to that, and this is how they make their money from you. If you're looking for a high-end broker with higher spreads, then chances are that the commission would either be low or it simply won't apply. But this is how it evens out, you see, because they make their money from you by charging this higher spread. So sometimes, depending on which brokers you look at, the low spread broker and the high spread broker will actually cost you around about the same amount of money to use. Okay, so what you need to do, again, especially if you've got a low spread broker such as a market maker, just make sure that they comply with those regulatory issues that we discussed in the first point to ensure that you're confident to sign up to a live account. Every platform has to be easy to use. Okay, a lot of brokers use their own platform, which is great, but majority of them do use MT4 or MT5, which is sort of the industry standard within retail brokers especially. But if the platform is hard to use, then you need to move on to a new broker. Okay, you're going to be making a lot of important decisions throughout the day, and you need to get into the market quickly and out of the market quickly without using any kind of long process. So for example, you need to enable one-click trading. So I'll explain exactly what that is with this example. So if I bring up my chart here, you can see that I've got one-click trading enabled in the left-hand corner. All this enables me to do is to press sell or buy, and I'm in the market straight away. Okay, what I don't want to do is press F9, bring up a ticket, and put in my value here, and then press sell buy. Okay, that will take about 2 or 3 seconds extra, which if you're trading low time frame is a very long time. What I'd like to do is preset the number of dollars or pounds or whatever here and press buy or sell, and I'm in the market straight away. After this point, obviously you can set your stop losses and your profit targets, but the important thing is that you're in the market quickly and then worry about the rest straight away after that. Your broker should allow instant execution. So what this means is from the point at which you click buy or sell, you should be in the market straight away at the price quoted by your broker. Okay, there should be no lag or no waiting around for you to do this. Unfortunately, this is where a lot of brokers do suffer. So sometimes there can be a 2 to 10 second lag from the point at which you clicked buy or sell from the point at which you enter the market. Sometimes the reason is because the broker is a market maker and they're waiting for the best possible price. But sometimes it's because the servers are not good enough. Okay, you should not suffer because the servers are not good enough or because your broker cannot find a good price. If they can't find a good price, they shouldn't quote it in the first place. So you must ensure that your broker allows you instant access to the market from the point at which you clicked buy or sell. Some brokers allow leverage such as 1 to 500 or even above. Okay, realistically, you should be aiming for a broker that provides leverage up to 1 to 200 max. The reason why is because any further or any higher leaves you too exposed. It's just far too risky and you could suffer big losses if you're not careful enough. Demo account should be something that you should have from the start, whether you're trading in the live market or not. Professional traders still use demo accounts. The reason why is because sometimes they can have a bad streak or they want to adapt their strategies. There are a number of reasons why demo accounts are still used even alongside live trading. So ensure that your broker allows you to have a demo account. Some give you a demo account for a specific period, such as 2 weeks. If that's the case and you really like your broker, then just negotiate with them to allow you to have this demo trading account for a longer period. The reason why is because they just want to get you to trade in the live account so they can start making money from you. This means that they do not have your interest at heart. And if this is the case, all you need to do is simply threaten them with the notion that if they stop your demo account, that you won't sign up to a live account, and the chances are that they will accept this and keep you as a potential customer. Brokers make it very easy for you to upload funds into your trading account. The reason why is because they want you to start trading as soon as possible. But sometimes they make it quite difficult for you to take that money out, and if this is the case, then alarm bells should be ringing in your head. The process of taking money out of your account should be as easy as putting the money into your account. And on top of that, if there are fees that you don't agree with for taking your money from your account into your normal bank account, then you should question your broker and ask what those fees are and why does it take so long. And if you negotiate with them, those fees are usually abolished. Sometimes they're not. And if you really have nowhere further to go with the broker where you're getting charged too much to take your money that you've earned out of your trading account, then you should look for a new broker. Customer service is paramount to any business, okay? And the same applies to Forex brokers. They have a responsibility to answer any question that you may have, okay? They should know everything about their platform and about their company. And if there is a question that they can't answer, that's fine. But they have to get back to you. If they kind of move around the issue and never get back to you, then you're not dealing with a good broker. That is a fact. You should get answers via email or via phone or via whatever to any questions that you may have, because the quality of their customer service is directly linked to the quality of their business. So if the service is bad, you need to move on. Now, what we've done for you on our website is provided you with a table of trusted Forex brokers. So if you go to capexforextrading.com/Forex-brokers, or simply click on this Forex brokers tab here, you will see a list of those brokers. You will see a table. Now, each one of those brokers has a link where you can open a live account or open a demo account. It's completely up to you. And we're actually constantly adding new Forex brokers to this table, but we're also declining quite a lot as well, because we're simply not happy with the analysis that we've conducted. So keep an eye on the table. If you don't find the one that you're looking for, open a demo account or a live account if you're happy to start trading, and we shall see you in the next video.